Hey guys, Hornby100 here. Today is a bit different, an update. I'm doing this on my iPod, so I'm very sorry if it's a bit shaky, but I'll try to keep it as still as possible. I'll try my best. But basically I've been up to quite a lot of progress over the past few months. Since my last update anyway. As you know, I had exams. I've finished them now, and I'm officially on my summer, so I can basically make as many updates as I want, and I will do that as much as I can. As you can see, this side is the side I've been working on quite a lot, and it's taken me quite a long time just to get all the measurements correct, because quite a tricky area to work in. And as you remember, I don't think I had the bridges up before, but I can't remember my last update if I had the bridges there or not. I don't think I did, but I put bridges there. As you can see, that's just two normal Hornby suspension bridges. I need to get maybe one more and finish it off, but I'm gonna have to custom cut that to my length, and yeah, there'll be another one of those pillars right here, two of them, and I'm gonna have to cut the length to my liking. I was thinking of having a lane under here, as you can see, but I don't think that's gonna work too well, so I just left it as a risen lane. To take you down here, this has taken me quite a long time. I mean, I had to get all the measurements as accurate as I could. If I didn't have one measurement correct to the centimetre, I'd probably get it wrong, but I think, as you can see, it's turned out pretty well. I mean, the bridges have been reinforced. I've glued the middle section in with a bit of super glue, just so it doesn't like move around too much, because that's what it's doing right now. But that doesn't seem to be a problem anymore. And yeah, so as you can see, there is a gap under here, and that's purely for these wires. So there's an overhang. There's an overhang of about 4 inches, just so I can get the bus on. Here it's all empty. It's 12mm MDF. It's pretty thick, and that's only so it doesn't like sag. There's not many supports in here. There's 2 supports only. And yeah, so basically I have 3 levels. This is just the gap, and then the bus wire comes out from here. It goes in, or wherever it goes in, yeah, it goes in through here and it comes out through here. And these two wires will run all the way under through here. So, and these will be connected to here, because there'll only be 2 lanes here. The radius they're pretty tight, but this one especially is quite tight, but I'm planning on only running freight trains up here, and I've tried the Pendolino of bending. It can bend over this, but the problem I'm having is the gap between here is pretty wide. It's wider than usual compared to these gaps, so I'm getting a much short double. Maybe I could literally fit another lane in here, but that's the problem. What I've done is I kept it the same gap, and I've kind of went a bit closer together, but not too much closer, just so it doesn't look too awkward. So yeah, that still needs a lot of adjustment. I've run out of track. I mean, I've used about 4 boxes now, and I've completely run out. There's a lot of this area, especially. I haven't really done anything other on this side. I've just done work on this side, just really. I asked this guy on eBay. I think his name was Hobbies by Design, to create me a tunnel mouth. And I gave him the measurements. He's really good. I would recommend him. I'm not sure if you guys know him. It's just Hobbies by Design on eBay. And he basically makes custom tunnels, custom retaining walls, all sorts of stuff. And he's kindly done this for me, and I'm really proud. I'm really happy and proud of what he's achieved. And yeah, I've got 2 of them. I'm going to need another 2, because I'm going to make another tunnel around here like on the previous layout. but I'm working on this side for now, so I'll leave that side out. And there'll probably be another section up here, and that will just be, this will be tunnel. It will cut off here somewhere, and that will just be tunnel mouth. So all of that will be tunnel, and I think maybe up there, and then there'll be a car system as well, and there'll be quite a few things up here. And yeah, so I just need to finish that section off, and I've been doing a lot of working with ballast, but this was quite a long time ago. This was about nearly 2 months, and it's really rock hard. But I found a problem with, I have to spray the glue at least 2 times for it to dry really solid. I don't know why, but yeah, it's already weathered, really light shade like that. But they're going to be weathered again, so yeah, that's fine. This is supposed to be like a above ground station. We're going to have like maybe a station up here with like stairs, custom made stairs. I'll have to make them myself. So yeah, I pretty much completed the station. It just needs to be sanded down and painted, and that should look really nice. So that's my first side custom made station, and this will be carried on with balsa wood all along here. And yeah, let's hope that turns out well. I had to add a little piece there to you know, to get the curvature right, and I think I'm going to leave that there. It's not affecting me in any way. Starting to build up the town scene again. It's getting there. That seems to be good. And then the fuller car system will go under here, around, and then back. So it'll go in like a little tunnel, and it'll be the same thing there, I think. But yeah, that's quite a cool effect. And there'll be another fuller car system up here somewhere. There'll be mountains here. I think it won't exceed higher than this area. I don't want it to anyway, so that's fine. Other than that, there has been another good thing. My leak, I sent it off to Hornby and they fixed it for me for free, and I've had it in storage for let's say a year and a half, or 2 years in fact. And I just sent it off just as because my ECOS went down, so I decided to send off both of them simultaneously. So what I done is I got my ECOS back about 2 weeks ago now, and I got a replacement because my one was completely faulty. My other ECOS, it just shut down completely. Don't know why. I had everything correct, all the wiring correct, just shut down. But now I've got a completely new system and a working Elite, so that is really good for me. I still haven't reprogrammed all the trains onto the Elite yet, but I will do. It takes quite a while to do that sort of stuff. It's not on my mind right now. As for this, I'm quite proud of this area now. It's as I wanted it to be. As I wanted a proper bridge, and that is quite to my liking. And I've always wanted a 2-level upper raised section. I mean, it's not massive, but it's pretty big. It's about, I think, 3.6 meters, which is roughly gives me a running space of around 15 meters altogether for one lane, including the width and the length. So yeah, that's quite a long. It's quite long. Just under about 12 meters, which is pretty long for a train that's going at quite slow speeds. So yeah, I'm planning on having the Hornby live steam on this lane, but that's proving to be quite difficult now. So I may just turn to, because now there's a lot of DCC, type of smoke generator and sound. So I'd probably just turn to that because that's probably more effective. The live steam is a bloody hassle. I mean, it is seriously. It tires me out so much. Just to fix that, because I've had quite a few problems with it. I had to open up the shell, and I found that it just gets clogged up with oil and just grease and everything. It's not nice. But that's what you get if you expect something about 7 years old. So I don't blame them, but it's still really well made. So well done for Hornby. But yeah, the layout is pretty much, all the track work is complete except from this level, obviously, because I don't have any track. I mean, this was recently completed. I I just completed this literally the other day, so I haven't done it anywhere. I need to get more. I need to get maybe one more if I can find some spares. I did buy a suspension bridge many years ago, but I'm not sure if I still have that around. I think I got rid of it because I stepped on it at one point, and you know it's plastic, just break. I will weather the bridge. It's not going to stay like this. I'm going to paint it. I can't remove. It's really a painstaking hassle to remove these stickers, so I'm probably just going to paint them over and disguise them. And then I'm going to weather it with some sleeper grime or something. And I'm definitely going to weather the track. I had to super glue the track down. That's not a good idea, but it was the only way I could make it stick so it doesn't move. But you know, it's not. In any case, I can literally just pop the bridge up and keep it as a whole bridge. I guess it's fine. So yeah, it's getting there. I mean, it looks pretty like overdone, I know, but that's what you need when you're building a model railway. You need everything to be better than what you want, so it doesn't cause problems in the future. I mean, this side, oh, it's pretty big. There's a lot of weight on this side, especially compared to this side, so I don't think it will affect anything or the tables. But there's a lot of weight on top of all of this. But I'm quite happy with how I done it. I mean, as you can see, it's pretty nice from here. I could have potentially had a tunnel. I mean, I'm not sure. I may like put like a disused line through here, and that just could be for my programming or something. I may just use that for my programming chat, because that is pretty long distance. But I want to put like a river or like a waterfall from here. So yeah, so as I said, around here will be where the tunnel starts. And it will go all the way across, and there'll be a mountain range up here, like the old layout, but a bit nicer, I think. And yeah, there'll be a tunnel maybe starting here, and so the train disappears into the background. You don't want to see the back of here. I prefer not. So I'm probably just going to probably have to build, but that's later, until I get the track work finalised and all the bus wires, then I'll start building the upper section. And that'll be the final height, which would be it's literally, this is up to my waist. And that's still pretty high. I mean, for what it is, I mean, it's been raised quite a lot. So yeah, I mean, I overdone it for that reason. I put so many supports under here, but I have spaces all across here and under here for the bus wires. So if anything goes wrong, I can always get into it, which is quite useful, and you need to do that for any layout, really. So yeah, I think that concludes the layout update, really. I mean, I've been filming this on my phone, so you know, sorry guys if it's a bit weird and the quality is a bit bad, but I hope the quality is good. It shouldn't be too bad. I can't get any trains running because I think the track's quite dirty. It's not gonna run that well, but yeah, you can see it taking shape slowly. I mean, now I'll probably get quite a lot done over the summer because I do have quite a lot of time now. So you know, I'm not planning on going for a long holiday. We're not planning anyway, so I should be able to work on the layout quite a lot. I have to think of more ideas. You guys can drop me ideas in the comments. I would like that. It really does help, trust me. I do try to incorporate as many ideas as I can, and maybe I'll combine it into one. I always try to do that, but I just don't tell you guys. So you guys have been really, really helpful so far, and I'm really thankful for 600 subscribers. Never thought I'd get that. Never thought when I started this channel I was happy with a couple of subscribers, and don't know what happened after that. But thank you very much. I appreciate it so much. I mean, you guys give me the motivation. Without you guys, I would not have any motivation right now. I mean, that's serious. I literally lost the motivation at one point when I was doing my exams. I said, oh, I'm not coming back to this layout. I won't have time. But yeah, next year is going to be a tougher year for me. It's a big jump. But I'll probably be only making updates, you know. But that's in due course. Fine. It's not have to worry about it now. But yeah, I'll try and get as much done as I can for you guys, and I'll keep making updates as frequently as possible. So thanks for watching, and please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.